A very good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to begin with the topic sales promotion. We had already done in the previous class about advertising agencies, okay, how they function. In this, we are going to do about sales promotion. Now, let's know what is sales promotion. Meaning, sales promotion is a set of marketing technologies aimed to stimulate the demand in a particular product and increase brand awareness. Limited in time, it creates a feeling of time sensitiveness, generates new leads, and keeps existing customers engaged. Okay. Now, what does the sales promotion do actually, children? It tries to stimulate the marketing demands. It tries to increase the sales and the profit. Okay. And it serves as a link between personal selling and advertisement by focusing selling efforts. They try to sell the product. Okay. Sale promotion, it usually involves non-recurring and non-routine methods. We have different types of methods. We try to attract the customers so that they can buy more and more of your product. Like, for example, now let us see what are the different techniques being used. Okay, the first one is distribution of free samples. You might have seen free samples are distributed in shops or door to door to selected customers to gain acceptance and popularize the product. Haven't you seen? Like, for example, if you go and buy a Pond's cream, together with that they give you a small sample is there. Okay, they give you a free sample that a new face wash is being launched of Pond's, because you have confidence in that Pond's product. So they are trying to give you, just to see a free when a new thing when comes into market, free, you can try to get it and you can use it. If you really like it, you're going to buy that product once again. Okay. Then what is there is coupons. Some firms issues coupons to their prospective buyers through newspapers, direct mail, dealers, packages, door-to-door salesmen. I'll give you the best example. In Kadma, the Domino's and the Pizza Hut has been opened, a small Pizza Hut. So what you do is when you go there, they give you some coupons. Okay. Or even when you might have seen that newspaper wala, when he comes and gives them a newspaper, he will add one coupon to you. Like, one coupon will be that if you take this paper to Domino's, you will get a discount of 10 rupees, 100 rupees, or maybe you will get one pizza free with the other one, right? And then you get, if you like, once you go there, they have some people, they stand there and they ask you for your number when they are printing, the bills. They ask for your number, so, and they ask for your email ID. If you are interested, if you give, so whenever the offer comes, they will definitely, because you are the prospective customer. So they want to stimulate your word, like, okay, now there is a discount offer, then you feel like going again. Okay. Then the packages are so beautiful. Some of like tea. I have seen the City Tea before. They used to give a small steel box. Inside that the tea was there. So the females are very excited. The moms are very excited. They want to buy the tea because they'll get a free box with that. Then you have premium or bonus offers. Have you not seen? Go to the malls and all, you are having an offer. Sale premium is an offer of and out free of cost. You get a free, buy one get like that, right? Free offers are there, buy two get one free. And what we do is we try to, like, in order to promote sales, some firms they offer free gift. Like if you buy two, you will get one free along with that. Okay. Then you have fairs and exhibition. Have you seen? We have usually in that Gopal Maidan. Usually we have the Gram Shri Mela and the other fairs. Trade fairs are there where people demonstrate their products. You can see televisions are there, sofa sets are there. You can see live demonstration, and that attracts more people to buy that stuff, isn't it? You have your children's corner, you have your other corners where people go and they see with their eyes all these trade fairs and these exhibitions which are held. Okay. Then you have prize contests. You might have seen when you go to the malls. Now we have PM Mall. There you go. You have contests. like you have coupons. If you go free content price contest is that you go there, you'll get a free scratch cards will be there, you may get a car and other offers are there. These all, what are they trying to do? They try to stimulate the buyers, they try to force the buyers to buy the product. Okay, and in this way what happens, it increases the sale of the product. Okay, then if a new product is introduced in the market by this sales promotion, it becomes very easy. Okay, then it encourages dealers to carry large stock with them, because they know that people are demanding for the product and they can buy that. Okay, and it also improves the public image of the firm when they come and they go, because people are seeing it with their own eyes. Like the trade fair is there, you might have seen many companies come up, and then you see the portray, like for example tiles you want to change in your house, or you want to change the taps, the beautiful lights, all these are there, you can see it there itself, and they give you offers. They say that if you buy it now, you will get some discounts and offers, you will get at a lower price, and we generally go and we buy those stuff. Okay, so these are the techniques of sales promotion. Now the next topic is how to differentiate between advertising and sales promotion. Okay, now it is what happens is that sales promotion, what is it? Marketing activities which stimulate customers to buying and dealers effectively. So I think you might have heard this word stimulate. I'm telling you more and more time for sales promotion, because that is the only word, that is you are trying to attract customers. You're stimulating means you're making them active, you're forcing them to buy that product. Okay, and on the other hand, advertising, it's a paid form of impersonal presentation. Okay, and it's a one-way communication. Okay, where there is an identified sponsor, or you can see the ads, and you're happy to go about it. Okay, then price, this advertisement, it is very expensive, but sales promotion is not very expensive, because these are small coupons and offers which are given, so they adjust the price. Buy one get one free, it's always there. They always keep a high range of profit percentage, but when the time goes away, when the period of sale goes away, then what happens is people try to reduce their profit margin and they want to take off their product. At least how much of money they have spent, they want to get it back, right? And this advertisement is suitable for medium and large companies, and the sales promotion is suitable for small to large companies. Okay, sale assumption that it will lead to sale, and it is directly related to sale. Sales promotion, you want to sell your product, right? Okay, now example, giving an advertisement in the newspaper, but the major product of the company, they just give ads. You might have seen in newspapers, colorful. Nowadays the ads have become so colorful, and newspapers, television, etc. And this sales promotion, they give the products and the coupon in your hand, and then you get something out of it. Alright, the purpose, increasing sales, brand building, and it also increases sales. Now the result in advertising is slow, it will take time, but the result will come up. And sales promotion is very soon. People will like, if they like product because they've used it, they will come and buy that product. Right, now some questions, children. Define sales promotion, explain the difference between techniques of sales promotion, and the last one is compare sales promotion and advertising. If it's a 5 marks question, 5 points, 5 techniques. Otherwise it's a 2 marks question, 2. Right, you can write the answers from here.